Good morning. Ira Epstein of Lynn & Associates with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, the 8th of March, 2017, about 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. You know, we're all getting onto what we're calling that Fed watch now as we're building in the probabilities of what the Fed is or isn't going to do. The ADP numbers, which I'll show you in a minute, they seem to cement even further that the Fed's going to move in March. The Fed watch page at the CME Group up to 88, so high probability for a March increase. Now, what it's doing to the stock market is stocks have, if you will, they've come down a little bit. You've held the key numbers in the S&P, which I was impressed with. You can still drop, though, back to, I think, the 18-day average of closes in the Dow and the NASDAQ. We'll see what happens here. Gold, well, you've got the dollar up, you got foreign currencies down, and as that happens, the metals are taking a hit. You're going to see that the copper imports, I'm going to show you the stat in a minute, down sharply in China. You also had a huge build at the LME warehouse in copper. I mentioned that yesterday, the largest two-day build in 20 years, so that's not pretty. You came down, filled the gap in the natural gas, shot up $10 from there, and you're just sort of sitting. And that gap was from the Monday, Tuesday time frame, and you'll see what that is. Actually, it was from Friday to Monday, and then you broke back on Tuesday to fill the gap, and you're up today. You're still getting bids of people thinking that the gasoline is getting ready for the seasonal to the upside. Grain markets again lower on the day, and sugar's taking a terrible beating, just continuing to the downside. So where are we on the facts? All right. Wholesale inventories came in down 0.2. They expected down 0.1, so we're chewing into our inventories. That's good. The sales were down 0.1%. Prior was up 2.6%. All right, but you're losing some of that inventory. Non-farm productivity up 1.3%. They expected up 1.4. Fourth quarter prelim up 1.3. So about where you thought you were. Fourth quarter non-farm labor costs, though, they came in line with the prelim, so no surprises there. Here's a good number. The ADP number, 298, 100,000 more than what was expected on it. The conference board, though, helped wanted index down 36,200. Not a great number there. Prior month it was up. Here's something to pay attention to. Even with the strike at Escondido Mine, the Grasberg unable to send out its exports of copper, China doesn't want the copper right now, right? Take a look. Their imports were down 19% on the year from the February part. And if you go January to February, they were down 16%. So this sort of falls in the hands of the mine owners because here they are. They're sitting there and they're saying, okay, they don't want the product anyways. So the price that's on the ground, maybe it holds up better than it would. Traders Wednesday saw Landworth increase their 2016-17 Brazilian crop forecast up 1%, and Canadian housing rose 0.6 from the previous month to the nice rate of 207,000 units. All right, so where do you go with all this? Well, you can understand you're in the Fed watch page. Tomorrow we get the ECB number, what their policy is going to be. The market widely anticipates there won't be a change there. The Brits are having their own problem with the pound because the House of Lords can't seem to agree with the House of Commons on what should or should not be done, so it's creating a bit of a problem there for the Brexit vote. I want to remind you, Modern Trader Magazine, a free one-year subscription. Every month you get this. It comes by email now. So anywhere in the world, they send it out, and then daily Market Focus. Now, if you go to their website, you're going to pay $79.95. Through us, you're able to get it for free. You either call us, you got to go to our website, you'll see the carousel of free offers. You can click up here. If you're watching me on YouTube, you'll see the icon or under us in different areas. But trading the average, the platinum gold spread, the footprint protocol, and of course, it covers Forex. This magazine covers derivatives, stocks, options, of course, futures, everything you can imagine in there. The stories are great. Lots of charts to go with them to teach you their strategies as to what goes on. So again, all you need to do is give us a call, at 866-973-2077. Go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. You'll see the carousel of free offers. Click on it. Click up here off of YouTube or under us on any of the websites that carry these videos. They often put a link to our forums. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a good day, and I will talk to you this afternoon. And one last thing, forgot to say this. I'll be putting out this afternoon's update substantially earlier. I have to be out today. My mom's 90th birthday, so I'm throwing her a party. You have a great day. I will talk to you all later this afternoon. Take care.